Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Venu 3S and I'm gonna show you how to force restart this watch. To force restart this watch, simply press and hold the action button and keep holding it until the watch turns off. It takes about 5 to 10 seconds. After the screen turns off, keep holding the button for a couple more seconds and then you can release it. And at this point, the watch should be turned off, as you can see. After the watch turns off, wait for a couple more seconds and then you can turn it back on by pressing and holding the action button again and keep holding it until you see the Garmin logo on the screen. Once you see the logo, you can release the button and wait until the watch turns on, like this. And that's how you force restart this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.